Hi developers, many of us take C or C++ courses, but when installing the IDE we face the first problem. So today I will show you how we can install the IDE correctly. I am Musab Obiado and I am software engineer. Let's go! First of all, we go to code blocks page. Then we go to download section and to the download the binary release. Then we select our operating system, in my case is Windows, and select the version that comes with mingw package because it has the compiler, and click on the download link and waiting until the download is through. So after the download is done, we click on the file and install the program. We don't need to make any change, just next. In the end, he asks if we want to open the program. We say no, because we haven't gotten through setup yet. Then we go to the path where installed the program, and we go to the bin folder and copy the whole path. Yup. Now we go to the PC properties, advanced settings, and click on the environment variables. Then we select the path and click on the edit, then new, and here we paste the path and okay. That's it. Let's open the program and create a new project. So create a new project. We click here, console application, next, and C language, then links, project name, I say test, next, finish, the main program. That's it.